Hi there, students. To defray, a verb. Defrayment, the noun. Or defrayal as well, a noun. And then defrayable as an adjective. Okay, to defray means to pay for something. To pay part of something. Costs or expenses. This is a business word or a legal word. A company will provide money to defray travel expenses. So you pay for your travel and the company pays you back. Yeah. Some expenses are defrayable and some are not, that you can claim some expenses but not. So this is to provide money for the full payment or the part payment of something. So the website sold advertising in order to defray the cost, or to defray part of the cost, yeah, to provide money for part of the cost of it. The government has increased spending in various areas and it needs to find a way to defray this extra spending, to fund it, to find money to pay for it. I don't know, when, for example, when a lawyer works for you, he has certain expenses that he needs to pay. For example, the fee to make a search in a registry. Yeah, and you need to defray this payment, to pay for it. Okay, so to defray is to give somebody the money to pay for something, so that this is your responsibility. Companies very often defray different things for their workers. I think that if you work from home, your company should defray your internet expenses and maybe part of your electricity and things for working at home. Okay, the organization was looking for donations to help defray the running costs of the organization. If you are a member of a society, maybe you have to make a monthly payment to defray the administrative costs of that society. So it's just a really posh word for to pay for, yeah, to give money to cover the cost of something. If you give me a lift into town, I will defray the petrol. I'll pay for the petrol. No, you've got to use the word pay. So to defray, a regular verb, he defrayed the cost by asking for donations. They have defrayed these costs by raising money from a charity. So a regular verb. Formality, this is a really formal verb. I'm going to give this a 9. I wonder sometimes if anybody still uses words like this. Well, I've actually seen the word defrayment in a bill from a lawyer. So, yes, maybe, but this is really formal. This is top level formality. Informally, to pay, to cover the cost of something. Okay, and then as to origin, well, there's a French word defrayer, which means to spend, yeah, and that's where it comes from. From the Latin de fractum, yeah. So the fractum meaning an expense, yeah, fractum meaning broken. Yeah, so I guess paying for breakages. Yeah, if you break anything, you will have to defray the cost of replacing it. Yeah, to defray expenses, to defray the costs of the war, to defray the running costs of the organization. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To Defray, but really formal.